Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Naomi Salami and this is Anything Content. Today is just going to be, we have a little bit of story time to it. A lot of people ask me, how do you write? How did you start off as a content marketer or a content writer, yada yada yada, stuff like that. With my degree, I kid you not, 3 years, is it 3 or 4 years ago, I was lost. Fresh out of school with an information technology degree, everybody expected, oh, you probably be coding, be a programmer, you be networking. I hated that course. I didn't start out hating that course. It just along the line I figured I probably was just doing this for to bag the BSc, but I found everything about the whole tech thing very boring. So what was I going to do for work? And a friend of mine was like, oh, we have a vacancy for web content writer in my company. I will link you to the IT. I will link you to the IT guy. He's going to call you for an interview. This is this. Long story short, I went for that interview. Asking me, wait, have you done this before? And I was like, no, I haven't. Apart from the short captions that I was writing, I hadn't written anything big before. They saw a potential in me that I wasn't seeing at the time, and I got hired. For the first 3 months, I shadowed my content lead. The first YouTube channel that I subscribed to on this same YouTube that kind of plunged me to the whole content thing was Alex Catoni. I started off with her copywriting videos. The way that she was explaining content was interesting. It's not just sit down, it's boring like a class. For those that went to Nigerian schools, you know what I'm talking about. But she made it very interesting. So Alex Catoni videos, chef kisses, amazing. Second person that I shadowed by following up with his content, following up with his videos, and I went to follow him on Instagram, YouTube, Dan Lok. He's a sales coach, right? For people that are into copywriting, you probably heard of him, you probably read his book. Whenever he talks, it's like he's talking directly to me. So I took a lot of pointers from his videos here on YouTube and has shaped the way I write content, because whether it's blogs, whether it's website, you have to be mindful of your target audience, and it was one of the things I learned from him. So download videos. Number 3, there's this content writing SEO course on YouTube by Harefs. For those of you that are probably like SEO experts, you probably have Ahrefs, Ahrefs. So their YouTube channel has some nuggets. Yes, nuggets. I'm smart now. Nuggets that are useful for beginners, experts, and stuff like that. So another YouTube channel or personality that you could just check out is Simply Learn. A YouTube channel that you could check some resources that they have on content writing, copywriting. But if you were to ask me, out of all these channels that I've mentioned, Alex Catoni kind of takes the cake for me. Number 1, women supporting women. Number 2, she's fun. And if you're on LinkedIn as well, I would advise that you follow her. It makes things a whole lot easier. See you guys in my next video. I'm not going to tell you what it's about. You're just going to have to guess. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Help a young girl that's just starting out. Alright guys, bye.